In this video, I will show you how to twerk in CS2. So in order to do this, you don't need to download anything, or you don't need to choose any emotes. It's actually a easier way to do this. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. And what you're going to want to do is open up Counter-Strike 2 on your device. So here we are in game. Now to go ahead and actually twerk is really easy to do. All you need to do is hold down the left control key on your keyboard to crouch, and all you want to do is look up and down really fast like this. Now it's hard to see because obviously I've got the camera doing this, but basically any players that see you doing this, it will give the impression of twerking. So what you can do if you've got the console enabled, you can switch to third person view and try this out for yourselves, but that's basically how you can go ahead and twerk in CS2. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you want to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.